Hello everyone. In today's session, we have to study the second unit, that is the instruction set assembly language programming, in which we are starting the second topic, that is the instruction set of 8086 in detail. So in a 8086 processor, it supports the 8 types of instruction. Which are they? The instruction are given as below. First instruction is the data transfer instruction. Second is a arithmetic instruction. Third is a bit manipulation instruction. Fourth is a string instruction. And fifth is a program execution transfer instruction, that is a branch and loop instruction. Then processor control instruction. Seventh, iteration control instruction. And last means eighth instruction is the interrupt instruction. Let us now discuss these instruction set in detail. So we have to first understand the data transfer instruction. What is the data transfer instruction? All the instruction which perform the data movement come under this category. म्हणजे ज्याही इन्स्ट्रक्शन ह्या डेटा मुवमेंट करत असतील तर त्या डाटा ट्रान्सफर इन्स्ट्रक्शनच्या कॅटेगरीमध्ये येतात. तर सोर्स डाटा मे बी रजिस्टर कॉमा मेमरी लोकेशन कॉमा पोर्ट. तर सोर्स रजिस्टर काय काय राहू शकतो? इट्स अ रजिस्टर or memory location or any port. Similarly, the destination may be also a registered memory location or a port. The following instruction come under this categories. तर खाली काही इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलेले आहेत, त्या सर्व इन्स्ट्रक्शन ह्या डेटा ट्रान्सफर इन्स्ट्रक्शनच्या कॅटेगरीमध्ये येतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फर्स्ट इन्स्ट्रक्शन इज अ मूव इन्स्ट्रक्शन. इट moves the register. Move instruction, it moves the data from register to register, or register to memory, or memory to register, or memory to accumulator, or accumulator to memory, etc. Means here we can say that the data transfer process is performed from register to memory, or register to port, or register to register, or memory to register, memory to port, or port to register, memory to accumulator, accumulator to memory, etc. These all type of data movement instruction can be done by the move instruction. Now second instruction is LDS. LDS means load a word byte in a data segment. Load the word byte in a data segment. Loads a word from the specified memory location into specified register. It also load a word from the next to memory location into data segment register. In this instruction, the memory location loads a word into the register. रजिस्टरमध्ये लोड केला जातो. मेमरी लोकेशनमध्ये जे काही ॲड्रेस असेल किंवा मेमरी लोकेशनचा जो ॲड्रेस असेल 16-bit ॲड्रेस, that is 2 byte, means a word that is loaded into the register. It also load a word from the next to memory location into DS register. DS register means data segment register, means we can also store 2 bytes memory location into the DS register. Okay, now third instruction is a LES. LES means load a word from the specified memory location into the specified register. Load a word from a specified memory location into the specified register. It also load a word from next to memory location into the ES register. What is ES register? ES is nothing but the extra segment register. Here we can load to next instruction memory location address into the ES register, as well as we can load a word byte, means 16-bit memory location data into the specified register. That is the LES instruction. Now we have to study the LEA. LEA instruction load the offset address into the specified register. Here we can load the offset address into the specified register through the using of LES instruction. What is mean by offset address? We any value, any data which can be stored in the any register, then it have two section. One is a base address and another is the offset address. Last address is the offset address. That is the offset address are loaded into the specified register. That is the working of LEA instruction, and LEA instruction is also come under the category of data transfer instruction. Now the SAHF and LAHF instruction. Here the load low order 8 bit of the flag register into the AH register. We already uh, we already know that there is a AX register in a general purpose register, AX, BX, DX. These are the 16-bit register, but we can whenever processor want to perform the 8-bit operation, then it divide that memory register memory into the two 8 bits. That is two parts. That is the AH and AH. AH contain the higher bytes of the higher bytes, and AL contain the lower bytes of the instruction. So LAHF, what is the working of LAHF instruction? It load the low order 8-bit flag register into the specified into the AH register. Means here we can load the lower byte in flag register into the AH register. AH means higher byte A register, accumulator register. Now another is a SAHF. It work as opposite of LAHF, means it store the AH register content into the lower bit of the flag register. Similarly, XLAT oblique XLAT B, it read the these instruction read the type byte of from the lookup table. That instruction are used for read the byte from the lookup table. Okay, now next part is, again there are several instructions are coming into the category of data transfer instruction. That is exchange the content of the 16-bit or 8-bit specified register with the content of AX register, comma specified register or memory location. XCHG means exchange instruction. We can say it exchange instruction. It can exchange the 16-bit or 8-bit specified register with the content of AX register, comma specified register or memory location. Means from register to register we can transfer the data from in 8-bit or 16-bit data. We can transfer from one register to another register, from one register to another memory location, or accumulator, or also AX register. Now another instruction is a push register. It pushes means sends, comma writes or moves the content of specified register or memory location onto the top of the stack. Push instruction generally used in the stack, means it can send the data, or it can write or move the data, can register data to the memory location onto the top of the stack. We already know the operation of stack. Stack, there is a one pointer that is called as a top variable, and top variable is used to point the first um, to add the value, to store the value. Whenever we add the element into the stack, the position of the top may be incremented by one. The top position indicates the how many variable held by that particular stack. So there is a push operation, push instruction. Again, push instruction is used to load or send or write or move the content of specific register to memory location onto the top of the stack. Now pop operation is used to delete the data. Here pop reads 2 bytes from the top of the stacks. At a time it can read 2 bytes from the top of stack and keep them in a specified register or a memory location. That is a pop. Pop F, it read 2 bytes from the top of the stack and keep them into the flag register. Pop F means F here a flag register. It keep into the flag register. It read at a time 2 bytes and then it keep that value into the flag register. Now IN instruction, it transfer the data from port to the accumulator. इन रजिस्टर बोलेंगे. इन रजिस्टर का यूज क्या है? इट ट्रांसफर द डेटा फ्रॉम अ पोर्ट टू द accumulator or AX, DX or AN register. Out register, transfer the data from accumulator or AL or AX register to an input output port identified by the second byte of instruction. So here means we have to see the in instruction and out instruction. What are the difference between what is the difference in between both the instruction? That is, in instruction transfer the data from a port to the accumulator. Means we use instruction for transferring the data from a port to accumulator or port to AX, port to DX or port to AL register. Now out register transfer the data from accumulator or AL or AX register to an port. Means process is goes on opposite as like in instruction. Okay, so that are the that all the instruction are come into the category of data transfer instruction. What is the data transfer instruction? The data transfer instruction indicate the movement of data or a transfer of data from register to memory, register to port, or memory to register, or port to register, or memory to memory location, or port to port. There are several in this category. There are several instructions are coming here. So we already seen it, and now there is a need to cover the second instruction set, that is the arithmetic instruction set. But we start the topic in next session. So I will stop here my topic, that is a data transfer instruction here. Thank you for watching. Thank you.